Well guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am testing out this new product that I just ordered. It's a Mercury BAT 393 universal battery tester. Super cheap on Amazon, and I thought I'd try it out because every so often you get those situations where you take a battery out of a smoke alarm, for example, and you're not sure if the battery is dead or if it's a problem with the smoke alarm. And yeah, I use my little multimeter sometimes to test batteries, but this is just a super quick, easy product to use. So, as I say, got it off Amazon, link in the description if you want to have a look. And I'm just going to crack it open and give it a little go. So essentially you've got this part for testing normal AA or AAA batteries, and then on here you've got a bit for testing the 9-volt batteries, and here's your little meter. So what I'm going to do is take a 9-volt battery here and make sure I get the terminals the right way round, so negative at the bottom, positive at the top, and then just do that. And it is showing no voltage. Let's try that way. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. So that is showing, if you can see there, there we go. Zoom that in for you. It's just about good. Interesting. Let's try another one. I've got a Duracell one here. These are both batteries that I've just whipped out of smoke alarms. And that one says it's good. So that's quite handy. It doesn't actually give you a voltage reading, it just tells you good or not good. But it's quite a handy and easy little tool to use just to test batteries, and if they're no good you can just throw them away, and if they're good then you can hang on to them and reuse them instead of wasting batteries. This one says best before March 2019 anyway, so I should just get rid of it. And this one is March 2012. Interesting. So they should both be disposed of, but technically they would work according to this. And as I say, you can use it with AAA, AA, Type C or Type D batteries. And this thing just slides, you put the battery in there and just slide it up and give them a little test. Might be worth a purchase, something to keep on the van if you every so often need to test batteries and you want a cheap and easy way of doing so.